So today we will do the general case study. So I'm going to explain you for the second week of August. So second week starts with the 8th. So here, so this is second week August. Okay, so this was day 1 for Bank Nifty and Nifty. This was day 2 and this was day 3. Okay, what's the commonality? See, for day 1 it was drifting down. Okay, so here the combination you can see it was a strong resistance but a weak support. Okay, day 2 it was drifting down, that means it was a strong support and a weak resistance. Again here it was drifting down, the same condition applies here, strong resistance and weak support. If this pattern comes up, this is simply called as SL hunting from both sides. Okay, so as said, we'll move on to the OI. So I am trying to compare everything in a close knit. So we'll start with the equity stocks, that is the EOD, end of the day analysis. On the negative side, we have Bajaj Finance, Trent and HUL with 1 to 2% down. And on the positive side, we have Tech M, Maruti and Hero MotoCorp with 2 to 1% up. When you check pre-open market, it was a slight flat open, you could see. And when you check all, that's definitely going to be bullish, because market is slightly on the bullish trend but at this retracement phase. Now we are going to check the participant wise OI, and major focus is on our FII because I'm not premium. So let's check for the free version. So yeah, the 12th has been displayed here. So let me take some dark colors. Okay, so we are checking FII, so I will just highlight it. Now long means buy, short means sell, call writing is resistance, put short is support. Okay, now you could see clearly this is more, and they are adding positions in the short, means for short term they are bearish. Then when you check short value 44 and 26, clearly resistance is pretty strong in the market. Okay, now we'll move on to the economic calendar. So we will check results, holidays and everything in the Sensible website. So here you could see for 13th we don't have any news upcoming, so tomorrow there's a chance that it can go sideways. Now we will go and check for results. So here is the results which is going to coming up tomorrow. So that is Q1 results as well as dividends, but this is to inform you that nothing is big stocks which is going to impact index directly, so we can skip that. And you could see Friday we have Independence Day, so there is a chance, a big chance, that this expiry can be a sideways close. Okay, unlike last one which was trending. So here you could see 700. See, 700 is going to be our good resistance for this week. When you check for monthly, 27 PE and 26,500, so they are adding up far away range, because still market is yet in the deciding phase whether to go up or down. That's why you could see the strangle range is very far away. Bank Nifty 55,500 and 56,000, so this is expected for Bank Nifty because it is having a monthly expiry. Now we will go to the general OI, where we will do the total comparison of the OI. So you could see clearly resistance in the more, and the put writing has done its profit booking, so the price action definitely has to go down. Okay, let me just check for the monthly expiry for August, and here equal build up is happening. So for this month we are keeping it sideways. For this week it's slightly tilted towards downtrend. As you can see, Bank Nifty also resistance is a bit more than usual. Okay, now we'll do the straddle calculation. So for this we will have a small price action comparison here. Okay, so we have Nifty chart here, and Bank Nifty as well. I'll take Nifty chart first. So this is 12. Okay, now when you check open, it is 24,500, the yellow line, and then you could see from 210 it was drifting down to 160. Okay, now let's calculate. One lot, let me take the lighter color so that it is easily visible, is 75, and then when you calculate decay, open minus close, right? So open here is 210 minus close is 160, so the total decay is 50 points. Okay, so this times this is our profit for today. Okay, so profit is 3,700 plus tax and brokerage. Okay, so here price action, you see open and then close is here, but here the long straddle has got one chance. Again here the long straddle has got a chance, but other than that the short straddles were winning here. Okay, so now we'll move on and check for monthly expiry how this strike performed. So this is also pretty similar to what this week expiry has to say. Now we will go and check for Bank Nifty. So this is BNF. BNF open was 300, the red line, and then you could see it was a profitable day, but long straddle has got the chance at the start and here also. Okay, other than that it was drifting down, so it was for short straddle. Then you could see how stable market was going in sideways. Okay, so that's it guys, thank you.